On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Chrome browser "this site can't be reached" problem. So all what you wanna do is very simple and easy. Just go into the top corner here, click on those three dots, and after that click on the settings, and then click on privacy and security. Click on clear browsing data and click on clear data. After you do that, then click on this cookies and other site data and make sure to choose allow all cookies, exactly like that, and scroll down, make sure that this option is enabled, and scroll down again, make sure that you don't have any website here. So that's it. Now restart your Chrome browser, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.